Saddy, let's talk to you. Where do you see your biggest business coming in? Where are the feeder markets? And how is it when these clients come to the state of Florida?
Personally, my feeder market has been Mexico City. I fly a lot to Mexico, and I've seen a huge, probably the last 6 years after the new president, a huge influx of buyers coming in from Mexico, especially in the condo market. It's always second, third home. So I think Mexico for me personally has been a great feeder market, which I personally have a lot of relationships with. So it depends where you guys have relationships internationally. The other feeder market that's obvious is New York. So try to network with everybody you know in New York or other agents in New York, because obviously New York have been the best feeder market and still is the best feeder market. We had Chicago for a while coming in. I've seen it less now, at least in my area, which is Gables, Grove, Key Biscayne, the whole South. That's where I specialize. And of course, California has been the other one.
There's so much instability right now, not only in our localized market, our national market, but really the global market. What are you hearing from everyone else? Obviously, we know that from a political standpoint, people want to put their money in Florida because it's safe. We know people from an opportunity standpoint, businesses want to come here because they have more opportunity to thrive. But from your feeder markets, what do you think? What have you heard from the New Yorkers or anybody else to say, why is Florida still so important outside of the obvious that we all know?
Client last night from Brazil telling me exactly that. He's like, I want to get out of Brazil and plant my money in the USA. It could be New York, it could be Miami. In this case, he's looking to buy in Miami. But he's like, I want to invest somewhere where my money is more stable, which is what you're getting. So the US is still the most stable market in a lot of parts of the world.